You're looking to make the most out of your 20s, and this is the video for the 1% who's looking to become the best version of themselves. I've been in the self-improvement space for more than 7 years, and I've tried countless habits, read hundreds of books, and I'm going to list down just the 3 best habits that you can cultivate starting today. It's so easy to get ahead out of 99% of people nowadays, and if you just follow these 3 steps consistently, it won't be easy, but you will get ahead 99% of the people out there right now. Number 1 is going to the gym. A man who has a great body speaks more than a man who has a nice car. When you have a great body and you show great progress physically, this simply shows to other men out there that you earned it. I mean, compared to a man who drives a nice car, what would other people think? They might think that, oh, his daddy bought that car, or he's in debt for buying that car, whatever that is. But no one will tell that thing to you if you have a great body. I mean, what will other people tell about you when you have a great body? That your daddy gives that to you? That you have good genetics? It doesn't work if you don't work out, guys. Now, this is not about getting respect or getting validation from other people, but it's more about getting respect from yourself. When you go to the gym and you lift heavy weights, you know the final 2-3 rep that just burns your muscle. It feels like you're going to fail that rep. And this is when I would call the monkey voice would start to come in and start freaking out. It would jump right in and tell you to stop because it burns, it's painful, it's uncomfortable, stop that shit, bro. But what if you constantly push through that pain, lift that weight even though you fail, even though it seems that you lost the battle, but actually you won the war. You won the war because you've conquered the weaker version of yourself. By going to the gym consistently, you constantly put the habit of going through uncomfortable events in your life. And it's just shocking to see how this really affects other areas in your life, in your business, in your relationship, finances, whatever else. And we all know what happens when you go through uncomfortable events in your life constantly. It will get easier. It will yield great results in your life. I mean, let me just get this straight. For just a couple hundreds of dollars a year, not only you improve yourself physically, get ripped, but you actually earn yourself a good amount of respect, and especially build the habit of pushing your very own limits constantly. And this is why I said going to the gym is simply the best habit. Now the next one is to limit your screen, no porn and no fap, and if possible, retain your seminal fluid for as long as possible. Now you probably heard the story of Mike Tyson, how he went up to 6 weeks without having sex before his fight. Steve Jobs, Nikola Tesla, all these historic people known for their greatest invention and achievements practice semen retention. Search that up. Former British heavyweight champion David Haye, who also practiced semen retention, said this: I don't climax for 6 weeks before the fight. It releases too much tension. It releases a lot of minerals and nutrients that your body needs, and it releases them cheaply. Releasing weaken the knees and your legs. Find a lion that hasn't had some food for a while, and you've got a dangerous cat. It's literally been proven. Like, if you have a cat that is fertile in your home, you'll find him wandering around, playing with his toys, and his eyes are just full of life. But when you take him to surgery and you remove his balls, castrating him, look what happened now. He became docile and submissive. He would just like lay around, sleeping all day, feeling lazy and shit. And you definitely don't want to be like a docile cat, so subscribe to this channel. Now let me ask you one simple question. If you release your seed on a daily basis, what's the difference between you and that castrated cat? Because both of you feel tired all the time. You feel lazy. You feel unmotivated. It's very hard for you to focus on your task, and you lack the confidence to talk to women. I've been a porn addict and I've been through what you've been through. But if I could give you just one advice today, try semen retention for just 14 days. And if you're possible to go through longer periods of time, go for as long as possible, because the benefits are just life-changing, bro. Because I've talked about it in all of my videos, you can check that out. The last one is to set goals in your life. If a captain of the ship doesn't have a direction of where he wants to go, the ship will move according to the current of the seas. But if the captain knows where he wants to go, oh, I want to go to island A, and you know what he would do. He would steer his ship all the way until he reached the destination. Now this isn't about captain or the ship. This is about your life. I mean, it's just crazy. You would spend hours planning ahead. You spend hours packing your luggage, but you never spend even just 10 minutes planning on what you want to do in your life. Get a planner, your book, even just a piece of paper, a notepad, whatever. Now start writing what you want to achieve in the next 10 years, 5 years, then narrow it down to 3 years, 1 year, next 12 months, 6 months, and then write down, narrow down until what you should do today. Now what I would always love to do is that I would plan the day before of what I want to do the next day. What I would do is that I will always plan the day before using this sticky note, and I cover it up so you cannot see what I'm planning to do. I will write down what I will accomplish tomorrow for, let's just say, record 3 videos, which I'm currently recording right now. And then in the morning when I woke up, I'll schedule everything down on Google Calendar. Everything right now that I just shared to you is free to use, and you just have to spend your time and effort into planning your day. Look, if you simply just follow these 3 habits consistently, you will come out unrecognizable by the end of this year, bro. Remember, if you go easy in life, then life be hard. But if you go hard in life, then life be easy. Find comfort in discomfort. See you next video. Cheers.